Good morning everyone, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel of Anglo-Indian recipes. Today I'm just going to show you a very simple Anglo-Indian meat fry. You could use beef or chicken or pork or even mutton using the same recipe. I'm using beef today, but just let's call it the meat fry. So very simple ingredients, and I'm going to show you what's to be done. So just keep watching. So we'll begin by adding the meat into a pressure cooker. Add enough water just to cover the meat. And now I'm going to add in like a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. We can add more salt later when we are cooking if you like. So mix it well, and then going to turn on the heat, cover the pressure cooker, get it ready, and pressure cook for around 10 to 15 minutes depending on how tough your meat is. Then switch off the heat and let the pressure settle before you open it. So now you can see that the meat is tender. I cooked it for around 15 minutes. So as I mentioned, we have to parboil the meat with a little water and a pinch of salt and turmeric till it's tender. So now our meat is boiled. To this I'm going to add these ingredients. So 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chillie powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. So these are the simple ingredients that I'm going to make the fry. I'm just going to add it into the meat that's already cooked, along with like 1 cup of onions. That's like 3 medium-sized onions that I've just sliced. So these are the very simple ingredients. So we'll begin by again lighting the gas. To this I'm adding all these ingredients. Mix it well and all the onions. No need to fry. So what I'm going to do now is, once it comes to a nice bubble, I'm going to turn down the heat and just let it simmer. Just let it simmer. So I'm just letting it simmer for around say 5 to 10 minutes till the onions become like soft, and then we'll start drying it up. So you could keep mixing occasionally, and there's no need to add any oil just yet. Right at the end, I will add 1 tablespoon of oil. So just let this simmer. So the reason why we add raw onions to this fry is that the raw onions gives it a nice thick base. It helps to thicken the gravy that we are going to have at the end. And the onions also retain their sweetness, so the whole dish is a very wholesome and not too spicy Anglo-Indian meat fry. And here you can see that the onions have become very soft, and they have changed color as well. So now what we'll do, we'll just add a little oil, just a teaspoon or a tablespoon of oil, mix well, and we are going to raise the heat and keep frying till your fry is the gravy is a thick mass. So once it comes to this stage, we can turn off the heat and just let this rest for some time. Just let it rest. So since we added salt in the beginning while boiling the meat, I didn't add any salt while cooking it, but you could taste and add more salt if you require. Now this is not a dry dish, this is like a semi-dry dish. It goes well with rice or with bread or with chapatis, whatever you like. It's a good side dish. So this is our Anglo-Indian meat fry. As you can see, it's just a very simple dish, but very tasty as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell your friends about my channel as well, and you could check out all my old recipes as well for those who just recently subscribed. So this is one of the easiest recipes that I usually make. There's no need to garnish it with anything, but if you like, you could add a few chopped coriander leaves on the top. But this is it. Simple, basic and tasty.